6. The Deccan Plateau. Hello students. The Deccan Plateau is a large plateau in India making up most of the southern part of the country. It rises 100 meters high in the north and more than a kilometer high in the south, forming a raised triangle within the familiar downward pointing triangle of the Indian subcontinent's coastline. It extends over 8 Indian states and encompasses a wide range of habitats covering most of central and southern India. It is located between two mountain ranges, the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. In this lesson, you will learn about the Deccan Plateau. 6. The Deccan Plateau. Plateau. A plateau is a flat land on a raised platform. It is high above the land around it. The slopes are rough and uneven, making it a rocky area. The big plateau to the south of the northern plains is called the Deccan Plateau or the Southern Plateau. Location. It is located to the south of the Great Gangetic Plain. It is bounded by the Aravalli Hills in the northwest, Rajmahal Hills in the northeast, by the Western Ghats in the west, by the Eastern Ghats in the east, and the Kanyakumari in the south. The Deccan Plateau looks almost like a triangle and is surrounded by the above hills and mountains. The hills of the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats join together to form the Nilgiri Hills. The rivers Godavari, Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri flows into Bay of Bengal, while the rivers Narmada and Tapti flow into the Arabian Sea. The rivers of the Deccan depend on rains. They get water mostly during monsoon and dry up in the summer due to lack of rains. These rivers have big waterfalls in some places which help in producing electricity. The Deccan Plateau is divided into 4 parts. A. The Northwestern Plateau. B. The Northeastern Plateau. C. The Central Plateau. D. The Southern Plateau. A. The Northwestern Plateau. It extends from the Aravalli Hills in the west to the Betwa River in the east and the Vindhyas in the south. The soil is black, which helps in the good growth of oilseeds and cotton. The Malwa Plateau is a part of it. Rivers. The Son, the Betwa and the Chambal rivers form the main water source of this region. They join the Yamuna and the Ganga. Bhopal and Ujjain are the important cities here. B. The Northeastern Plateau. This plateau consists of 3 important regions. 1. The Central Plateau or the Chota Nagpur Plateau. 2. The Chhattisgarh Plain and 3. The Bastar Hills. Rivers. The Mahanadi waters this area. The Hirakud Dam has been constructed here. Minerals. Huge deposits of minerals like coal, iron, mica, manganese, etc. are available. As a result of it, the major iron and steel factories are established at Bokaro, Jamshedpur and Raulkela. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in minerals. It has thick forests where sal, teak and bamboo are found. Raipur, Bilaspur and Bhilai are the important places of this region. C. The Central Plateau. This region lies between the Narmada and Tapti rivers. It has rich deposits of black soil which makes it fertile. Rivers. The rivers of this region are Krishna, Godavari, Narmada and Tapti. The Krishna and Godavari fall into the Bay of Bengal, whereas Narmada and Tapti fall into the Arabian Sea. The climate is very hot in this region. D. The Southern Plateau. It extends from the river Krishna towards the south. It has the western and the eastern Ghats on either side which meet at the Nilgiri Hills. This plateau is in triangular shape. The rivers form valleys by cutting the rocks, thereby forming waterfall. The Jog Falls in Karnataka is very beautiful and is the highest waterfall in India. Rivers. The rivers Krishna, Sharavati, Kaveri flow into this region. Across the river Kaveri, Mettur Dam has been constructed. Minerals. Iron, gold and mica are found here. The Kolar mines of Karnataka are well known. Rubber, cloves, cashew nuts, coffee and cotton are found here extensively. The Deccan Plateau has rich mineral wealth, natural wealth and tourist spots. Ooty and Kodaikanal are its hill stations. The people here are hard-working. The states which comprise this plateau are Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh.